Morning students. So after completing the sums of the discrete variable, today we are seeing the sum of the continuous frequency distribution. Students, as you can see the question over here, that obtain the mean by direct and shortcut method from the following distribution. Okay, here the class and the frequency is given. For the direct method, formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. But students, for continuous frequency distribution by shortcut method, which method? Shortcut method. Here x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n multiplied by c. Okay, why here we have taken c? Because here the class is given. Okay, so to find di, the formula is xi minus a upon c. So let us do the sum by the direct method, then after shortcut method. So students, here we have written the class and the frequency, but after that it is compulsory to find MV, or in short we can say xi. What is MV? MV equals to mid value. Okay, so how to find the mid value? So to find the mid value, lower boundary point plus upper boundary point divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15. Then 25, 35, 45, 55 and last, that is 65. Okay, as we are doing the sums of the direct method, the formula is fi xi upon n. So here fi is also there, xi is also there. Now we have to do the multiplication, that is fi into xi. Let us do the multiplication. That 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5. Then 7 into 15, that is 105. Then 25 into 15. 25 into 15 equals to 375. Then 27 multiplied by 35, that is 945. 945. Then 45 into 20, that is 900. 45 multiplied by 20 equals to 900. After that 8 into 55, that is 440. And the last 65 multiplied by 2, that is 130. Okay, now students, let us do the total. That is 5 plus 105 plus 375 plus 945 plus 900 plus 440 plus 130. Okay, 5 plus 105 plus 375 plus 945 plus 900 plus 440 plus 130 equals to 2900. How much? 2900. Okay students, so for the direct method, the formula is x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon n. Here we are having the fi xi value, that is 2900. The number of the observation, that is 80. Okay, so 2900 divided by 80, that is 36.25. Okay, so x bar is equal to 36.25. Okay students, now I am writing the answer over here, that is 36.25 by the direct method. Now the same sum we are going to calculate by the shortcut method. So now in shortcut method also the same thing. After writing the class and frequency, here it is compulsory to find mid value. Okay, how to find the mid value? Lower boundary point plus upper boundary point divided by 2. Okay students, so after finding the mid value, now in the shortcut method, the formula for the shortcut method is A plus sigma Fi di upon n into C. Okay, here how to find di? So di is equal to xi minus a upon c. Okay, so let us find di. Di is equal to xi minus a upon c. Students, as I have already told you that you have to take the smallest value as the assumed mean, that is a. So you will never get the negative answer. So let us assume a equals to 5. Okay, here the smallest value is a. So now 5 minus 5, that is 0, 0 divided by c. C is the class length, that is 10. Okay, so we will get the answer 0 only. Now 15 minus 5, that is 10. 10 divided by class length 10, that is equals to 1. 25 minus 5, that is 20. 20 divided by 10, that is 2. 35 minus 5, that is 30 divided by 10, that is 3. 45 minus 5, that is 40 divided by 10 equals to 4. 55 minus 5, that is 50 divided by 10 equals to 5. And last 65 minus 5, that is 60 divided by 10 equals to 6. Okay, so we got the value of di, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, here in the question, in the formula, as you can see that a plus sigma fi di, as we have find the value of di, now we are having fi also. So let us multiply the value of fi and di. So here we have to write fi di. 1 into 0, that is 0. 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. 27 multiplied by 3 equals to 71. Okay, 27 multiplied by 3 equals to 81. Okay, now 20 into 4 equals to 80. 8 into 5, that is 40. And last 2 into 6, that is 12. Now let us find the total of fi di. So 7 plus 30 plus 81 plus 80 plus 40 plus 12, that is 250. Okay students, now we got the value. As we are having the a, that is assumed mean, we have taken 5. Sigma fi di, that is 250. N equals to 80, and the C class length, that is the 10. Okay, the difference, that is class length 10. So let us find shortcut method. Okay, so formula, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n multiplied by c. As we have taken a equals to 5. Okay, we got the answer of fi di, that is 250 divided by 80 multiplied by 10. So students, first of all we have to find the value of this. So 250 multiplied by 10 divided by 80. 250 multiplied by 10, that is 2500, divided by 80, that is 31.25. So here the answer of this, that is 31.25. So let us total 5 plus 31.25, that is 36.25. Okay student, so as you can see that by direct method also and by shortcut method also we are obtaining the answer, that is same, that is 36.25. Okay students, so like this we have to do the sum. Okay, now after this the next topic we are starting, that is median. Okay, the next topic is median. So, student, for the ungrouped data, as we can see that in median, for the ungrouped data, that is simple number, the formula to find the m, mean, the symbol for the median equals to m. So, for the ungrouped data, the formula is n plus first observation upon 2. Okay, this is the formula for the ungrouped data. Now, for the group data, to find the median, m equals to n upon 2 observation. For the group data, that is class, or we can say as it is a continuous frequency distribution. In that, after finding nth upon 2 observation, the next formula to find median equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CFI upon FI multiply by C. Here students, as you can see that what is L? L equals to lower boundary point. The value of n by 2 we will get from the year. The cumulative frequency CFI, that is the above value of the class frequency. Then frequency which class we have taken and the class length. Okay students. So now let us start with the sum of the ungrouped data. So students, as you can see the question, now first we are doing the sum of the ungrouped data. So students, in the ungrouped data, as only simple numbers are given, so first we are doing the sum. As you can see over here, the weight of a person in kg are as follows. Find median from the following observation. So here students, as you can see, the numbers are given. First of all students, we have to arrange this number into ascending order. Okay, from smaller to larger. So first of all, arrange the number, arrange in ascending order. So students, the smallest number as you can see over here, that is 48. Then after that, the bigger number, that is 50, then 51, 52, then 55, then 58, 60, 62, 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the numbers are over. As you can see, the formula, that is m equals to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. So students, here n equals to number of observation, that is 9 number. Okay students, so let us write 9 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. So students, and 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So 10 divided by 2 observation equals to 5th observation. We got the answer. that is fifth observation, but only writing the fifth observation your sum is not over. You have to see the fifth observation in the arranged number. So which is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, that is 55. So your answer for the median equals to 55. Okay students?